might have played it already because they play here every other year. Yes, she is.
It must be easy to play when you don't sing.
The girls are singing, but I think their microphones must be off. They do sing.
Yeah.
Sometimes. Background. The girls will do background. There's one Christmas song that they do. Where they all sing together. It's like a choir. It's beautiful. They're from all different countries. If you watch the girls, you see them singing, but you don't hear them. See? Unless they're going to... They might be doing that.
Unless their microphones are... Unless there's a synthetic sound coming out in that voices.